How to follow someone on Stocktwits. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and you want to follow someone, see their ideas, market insights, and trending discussions in your feed, then here is how you do it. Open up the Stocktwits app on your device or you go to the website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the Explore icon at the bottom center and go to the search bar, type in the name of the influencer or trader, and once you search for that, from the search results, go ahead and select one of the trader you want to follow and click the follow button right next to their name. Soon after you do that, you will be following the person. Now you'll instantly start seeing their post in your feed. So that's it. That is how you can easily follow someone on Stocktwits. Following someone is super simple and it's one of the best ways to stay updated with market trends and trader opinions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.